Good day. This is the Renegade Marketer. Hello again. Now I'm going to show you how to make 10K fast. First, step one, find a rich person. There are plenty of business owners that got thousands to millions of dollars, and they can afford to give you money for a service. Step two, find the time they don't have. A lot of these business owners don't have time, so you're gonna help them by providing a service. Step three, be a middleman. So you're gonna be a middleman between the service. Step four, send 10 business emails. Step five, create a professional website. Get a 20% discount. Step six, hire a virtual assistant to make it easier. So just use your creativity and hire a virtual assistant to make it easier. So here's what you're going to be doing. You're going to find business owners that don't have Instagram accounts, or their Instagram account has little to no views. And you're going to tell them, I see you don't have any views, so I can help you. So these business owners will pay you for giving them presence on social media networks. So you're going to charge them 20K, and when they send you 20K, you're going to say the 20K is for 6 months, prorated at $3,333 a month. So when you pay them, when they pay you, you're going to take 10,000, go to Upwork, and try to find someone on Upwork and pay them for 6 months for $10,000, but don't pay them $10,000 because they're gonna take the money and leave. So pay them monthly. Also send 10 business emails to these business owners, such as restaurants, dentists, and car dealers. Also create a professional website. Get a 20% discount. Just click my link in the description. Also hire a virtual assistant. You can do that on Upwork or Fiverr. Just use ChatGPT and tell them what you want to do, and they're gonna write a script for you. So that's about it. You're gonna be the middleman between the Instagram service and the virtual and the worker, the freelancer. So you're gonna create your professional website. You can create a professional website with AI. That's about it. This is the Renegade Marketer signing out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.